In this video, I'm going to cover how to download and install Snort on the Kali Linux 2.0 VM. I'm also going to explain how to edit the configuration file, create a custom rule, and use it to analyze a PCAP file with malicious traffic on it. For all the commands demonstrated in this video, look at the description below. Firstly, type apt-get install snort and press enter. When prompted, press Y to continue. Okay, so this is asking for the address range of your local network. Now, to find that, you can go to another terminal and type ifconfig. As you see for me, I have a net mask of 255.255.255.0. This translates in a CIDR notation as //24. So we're going to go ahead and change that, the configuration, to //24. To facilitate custom rule creation, type touch /etc/rules/custom.rules. This will create a rule file for our custom rules that we're going to create later. To change the default configuration of Snort, type vi/etc/snort/snort.conf. This will allow you to make a variety of granular configuration changes. The only entry I'm going to make for the purpose of this demonstration is to include the custom.rules file we just created. So we'll type /include $rule_path. This will bring us to the rule inclusion page. So scroll down using page down, press I to go into insert mode, type include $rule_path/custom.rules. This is the name of the rules file we just created. Press escape on the keyboard, :WQ. That'll save and quit. Now you're ready to create and test Snort rules of your own creation. Now we'll cover some basic Snort commands. In order to run Snort in Network Intrusion Detection System mode, or NIDS mode, with the logging function, first create a location for your log files. Type mkdir log. This will create a directory named log. Next type snort-l ./log-b-c etc snort.conf. This will compare live traffic to the rule sets based upon your configuration. To verify that your logs are populating properly, just check out your log file and make sure that it's being populated with the alert file. Type cd log to change to that directory. Type ls to display the contents of that directory. Looks like it's working. I'll go ahead and remove the contents of the log file. To demonstrate the creation of a Snort rule, I am going to make one which will fire alerts for a PCAP file containing neutrino exploit kit traffic. Type vi/etsy/snort/rules/custom.rules. First off, press I to enter into insert mode. Type alert TCP any hyphen, greater than symbol, any, round bracket, MSG for the message that's going to be prompted, possible neutrino exploit kit infection. Every statement must have a semicolon to separate them. So, content, this is the data that will be searched for to fire the alert. Double quote. Now, we're going to enter a host name that's known for neutrino exploit kit infection. I'm going to paste it because it's a pretty obscure name. And with a double quote, semicolon. Now we're going to do a couple of optional statements here. So the class type is Trojan activity, which is the closest thing to this type of traffic. We have the SID and the revision. This is the first revision of this rule, so revision 1, and close it off with the round bracket. Now type escape on the keyboard, :WQ. This will save and quit. To give a better understanding of snort rules, I'll go over the snort rule we just made a bit. This snort rule alerts TCP traffic coming from any IP and any port, going to any IP and any port. It will prompt this message, and it'll search for this string within the content of the network traffic. Class type will classify what type of alert it is. The SID is a unique identifier for snort rules, and the revision uniquely identifies the revision of the snort rule. To analyze a PCAP file, type snort-l ./log -b-c /etc/snort/snort.conf-r and the name of the PCAP. In my case, it's malicious.pcap. Type cd log ls. We're going to make sure that the rule worked properly. So type cat alert pipe to less. Type /neutrino. As you can see, the rule is working properly. Thanks for watching my video. Please thumbs up and subscribe.